Manufacturers of air fresheners don't want you to know this trick. Have you ever stopped to think about the money you spend buying those little bottles full of home fragrance? They seem magical at first, but when the liquid runs out, most people simply throw the bottle away and buy another one. But what if I told you that you don't need to spend any more on this? There's a simple and super effective trick that will make your air freshener last much longer, without losing its fragrance and without needing to spend a fortune. Want to know how? Then stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you an amazing way to reuse your air freshener bottle and keep your home always smelling great. Remove the cap from the bottle, wash it well to remove any residue, and dry it with a paper towel. Take a moment to tell me in the comments which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. And don't forget to leave your like, comment below giving a rating from 0 to 10 so I know if you're enjoying this type of tip and if you want more tricks like this. Oh, and share it with friends, family, and anyone else who also faces this problem at home. That way, everyone can enjoy this incredible solution. Now, in a container, add 4 heaping tablespoons of alcohol. When I discovered this trick, it was as if my home had completely transformed. Since then, it stays fragrant 24 hours a day. Now, we need to add 2 tablespoons of water, followed by some cloves. Even my neighbors keep complimenting the scent coming from my home. To finish, add a tablespoon of fabric softener and mix everything very well. I'm absolutely sure that once you try this simple and amazing tip, you won't want anything else. And the best part? It's super easy to make and lasts a long time. So, stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you every detail. Now, just transfer this mixture to the empty bottle. This mixture is super powerful. It perfumes the home and repels mosquitoes at the same time. It's really worth it because, besides saving money, your home will always smell great and be protected. Whenever the liquid runs out, just make a little more of the mixture. And you can even change the scent by using natural essences. I'm sure that once you try this simple and powerful tip, you won't want anything else. So, don't waste any time. Try it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next tip.